Hello, dear students. Welcome to Mastan Accounts Academy, where accounting becomes simple through concept-oriented classes. Dear students, we have discussed in previous video when more than one asset is purchased, how to present it. We'll do same model problem, but the amounts and rate of depreciation and dates were different. So you can have a perfection doing this model. Okay. So the question saying that Ravi Enterprises purchased a machinery on 1st August 2017 for 40,000 rupees. So do remember the date and amount. Date is August 1st and amount is 40,000, right? And depreciation is to be provided at the rate of 12% per annum under straight line method. So we are doing only first method now, as of now. So the rate of depreciation is 12%. Method is straight line method. Again, on 1st July 2019, they purchased an additional machinery. The additional machinery cost is 25,000. So first machinery 40,000, second machinery is 25,000. And on 1st January 2020, another machinery was purchased for 60,000. So you can make a conclusion. Totally, how many machineries purchased? 3 machineries, right? And the books are closed every year on 31st March. It indicates that the firm following calendar year or financial year. 31st March means financial year. 31st December means calendar year. So this is following the financial year, and they're asking to prepare the machinery account up to which date? 31st March 2021. So just write the key points. Key points of Raskuna. Easy to be depth question. Key points of first machinery purchased on which date? First machinery purchased on 1st August 17 for 40,000. Second machinery purchased on 1st July 2019 for 25,000. And third machinery purchased on 1/1/2020 for rupees 60,000, 40,000, 25,000, 60,000. Depreciation at 12% under straight line method. They are asking to show machinery account up to 31/3/21. So question మొత్తం క్లారిటీ తెచ్చుకున్నాం. 3 మెషిన్స్ కొన్నారు. ఫస్ట్ ఆగస్ట్ 17 కి ఒకటి, ఫస్ట్ జూలై 19 కి ఇంకొకటి, ఫస్ట్ జనవరి 2020 కి ఇంకొకటి. 3 మెషిన్స్ purchased in different dates with different amounts. Rate of depreciation at the rate of 12% under straight line method. They are asking to show the machinery account up to 31/3/2021. So let's present the answer now. First August 17 is the first machinery date. So machinery account. First August 17. When more than one machinery is purchased, better to write 1 and 2 mark to bank account. To bank account, write within brackets first machinery. As we know, the first machinery value, what is the first machinery value? It is a 40,000. So write 40,000 here. Write 40,000. And year ends 17 is the 1st August 17 is the middle of the year. 31/3/18 will be the closing year. That is the financial year closing date, right? So by depreciation, you should be very careful here. By depreciation, just calculate from 1st August. 1st August means 31st March. And August, September, October, November, December, 5 months. January, February, March, 3 months. Totally, machinery have been utilized for 8 months. ఇంత ముందు ఎప్పుడు రాలేదు మనకి 6-9 months 3 months వచ్చింది, కానీ ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఫస్ట్ టైం మనకి 8 months వచ్చింది. సో క్యాల్కులేట్ ఇట్. వెరీ సింపుల్ క్యాల్కులేషన్స్. 40,000 is the original cost of the asset. Rate of depreciation 12%. And 8 months utilized, so 8/12. If 4 months utilized, 4/12. 7 months utilized, 7/12. That's it. So months calculate చేయండి. Original cost into rate of depreciation into time period by 12. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ 8 months వాడారు. So how much will get ma? Just this 12 cancel, 2 zeros cancel, 400 into 8, 3,200. So the depreciation amount comes to 3,200. 40,000 minus 3,200. 40 minus 3, 37,000. That comes to 36,800, right? 40,000 here and 40,000 here. By balance carried down. The balance carried down 36,800. Next year begins on 1/4/18. 1/4/18 to balance brought down. To balance brought down, that comes to 36,800. 1/4/18 beginning means, dear students, the financial year ends on 31/3/19. Just recheck it. Between 1/4/18 to 31/3/19, is there any additional machinery we bought? Check it one. Just we bought on 1/7/19. 1/7/19 doesn't fall within this period. Ma. Okay, now 1/7/19 we fall in the next year. So just balance it ma, after calculating depreciation. So ఈ period లో మనకి ఎక్కడ అసెట్ కొనలేదు కాబట్టి by depreciation. So dear students, here the machinery, first machinery have been utilized for the full year or part of the year means obviously for the full year varukunnam, because 1/4/18 to 31/3/19 full year, and the cost of asset is 40,000. So 40,000 into 12/100 full year కాబట్టి ఇంకా time period అవసరం లేదు. So you'll get 400 into 12, 4,800. Let's balance again. 36,800. Here also 36,800. 36,800 minus 4,800. So obviously 36 minus 4, 32,800, and 0 is 32,000. Okay. So by balance carried down, 36,800 లో 4,800 తీసేస్తాను, that will get 32,000. Hope you understanding the answers now. Typical ఏమీ కాదు, just heavy కొంచెం lengthy presentation you can say. Okay. Next 1/4/19 to balance brought down. To balance brought down, we students how much? 32,000. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే 1/4/19 కదా, ఇయర్ ఎండింగ్ డేట్ రాసేయండి కదా. 1/4/19 బిగినింగ్ మీన్స్ ఇయర్ ఎండింగ్ 31/3/20. సో చెక్ ఇట్. Between this 1/4/19 to 31/3/20, the firm purchase, is there any additional machinery means they purchased on 1/7/19. 1/7/19, 25,000. So that we have to present now. 1/7/19 to bank account. To indicate the second machinery, it's not compulsory, just write it to have an understanding. Okay, to bank account, the second machinery value 25,000. 25,000. Okay, again, once again recheck it. Is there any machinery purchase this period means 1/1/20. 1/1/20 falls in the next year. So మనం ప్రతి సంవత్సరంలో ఒకటే కొనాలని లేదు. Within the year we can purchase one machine, two machines, three machines, more than one machines ma. So we have to check it once again. Okay, so ఈ 1/4/19 to 31/3/20 లో ఎటువంటి కొనలేదు. ఓకేనా, it is given 1/1/20 కదా. 1/1/20 also falls in this period only. So right. 1/1/20. 1/1/20 also falls within this period. So to bank account, third machinery. What is the cost of the third machinery? The cost of the third machinery is 60,000 rupees. The cost of the third machinery is how much ma? 60,000. So చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇయర్ లో 1/7/19 కి ఒక మిషనరీ కొన్నారు, 1/1/20 కి ఒక మిషనరీ కొన్నారు. సో అందుకు ఏం చేస్తారు, మీరు డౌట్ రాకుండా ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఫస్ట్ బిగినింగ్ డేట్ 1/4/19, ఎండింగ్ డేట్ రాసుకొని మనకి కీ పాయింట్స్ రాసుకున్నాం కదా, ఈ పీరియడ్ లో ఏమైనా ఫాలో అవుతుందంటే 1/7/19 కూడా ఇదే పీరియడ్ లో ఫాలో అవుతుంది, 2 periods మధ్యలోనే. 1/1/20 కూడా ఇదే పీరియడ్ లో ఫాలో అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు 60,000. సో కొంచెం కేర్ఫుల్గా ఉండండి ఇక్కడ. 31/3/20 by depreciation. Just analyze it. Out of the 3 machines we have as of now 31/3/20, which machinery have been utilized to how many months? To which extent we have utilized? First machinery 1/4/19 to 31/3/20. It has been utilized for full period. So 40,000 first machinery into 12/100. It comes to 4,800. The first machinery have been utilized for the full year and we have charged the full depreciation, right? And second machinery on which date purchased? It is purchased on 1st July 19. 1st July to 31/3/20 means 9 months. So 25,000 into 12/100 into, check it must, July to March. 9 months it is utilized. So calculate it 25,000 into 12 by 100 into 9 by 12. So here 12 will be cancelled and here 2 zeros will be cancelled. 250 into 9. You will get 2,250. 250 into 9, 2,250 rupees. And here students, in the same year they purchased third machinery also for 60,000. Can you tell the how many months third machinery have been utilized by the organization? From January to March. January to March means obviously it's only for 3 months. 60,000 into 12 by 100 into 3 by 12. So calculate ma. 60,000 into 12 by 100, 7,200, and here 12 cancel 600 into 3. You'll get 1,800 rupees. 1,800. So I have calculated each asset depreciation separately. When there is a sale of asset, it will be very useful to you in the next model. So just make the total of these three, 4,800 plus 2,250 plus 1,800. You'll get 4 to 7, 8,850. You'll get how much more? 8,850. And now make the total here. Total comes to here 25, 60, 85,000, 85 to 87, 87 plus 30, 97, 1 lakh and 1,17,000. So the total comes to 1,17,000. Here also 1,17,000. Dear students, do remember this 8,850 includes three depreciation: first machinery, second machinery, and third machinery. Three machinery depreciations included in the 8,850. Now balance 1,17,000 minus 8,850. So how much we get here by balance carried down? By balance carried down, you'll get 1,08,150. 1,08,150. So 850 plus 150,000, 8,816, 16 plus 117. That's fine, right? Exactly. And the machinery account asked for up to 31,320 or 31,321. They asked for up to 31,321. So one more here we have to present it, ma. So dear students, now just take the date 1/4/20, 1/4/20 because they are following the financial year. To balance brought down 1,08,150. Here 31,321 by depreciation. For 3 years also you can say simply the original cost into 12 by 100. You will get the same answer because full year utilized kada. So మీరు ఎలా చేసుకోవచ్చు 40,000 first asset, 25 65,000 plus 60,000, 65 plus 60 ma 1,25,000, 1,25,000 into 12% డైరెక్ట్ గా చేసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ సేల్ ఆఫ్ అసెట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే సెగ్రిగేషన్ మళ్ళీ దానికోసం సపరేట్ వర్కింగ్ నోట్ కాకుండా మనం ఇదే ప్రొసీజర్ ఫాలో అవుతాం. జస్ట్ కొంచెం ప్రెజెంటేషన్ చిన్న లెంగ్త్ పెరుగుతుందంటే ఫస్ట్ మెషినరీ 40,000 into 12 by 100 and it is used for full year, you'll get 4,800. Second machinery also utilized for full year. What is the cost of the second machinery? The cost of the second machinery is 25,000. 25,000 into 12 by 100. That comes to 3,000. 3,000. And dear student, third machinery is 60,000 into 12 by 100. 6 12 is 7,200. So how much will get? 7 3 10 10,200, 10,200 or 800, 11 plus 4 15,000. So you can do directly. ఇక్కడ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే మూడింటికి కలిపి ఒకేసారి వేసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. దట్ ఈస్ 40 plus 25 plus 60. That comes to 1,25,000. 1,25,000 into 12 by 100. You'll get that answer now. Okay, 1,25,000 to 12 by 100 చేసినా సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. లేదు ఇట్లా సపరేట్ చేయడం కూడా సేమ్ వస్తుంది. సార్ ఎందుకు సపరేట్ చేశారు సార్ అంటే ఫ్యూచర్ మోడల్స్ కి ఈజీ కావడానికి, అంతే తప్ప రెండింటికి ప్రెజెంటేషన్ సేమ్. ఒకవేళ మీ లెక్చరర్ 1,25,000 ఒకేసారి 12% చేసినా ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ రాంగ్, ఇట్స్ ఆల్సో కరెక్ట్ వన్. ఓకేనా? ఓన్లీ వెన్ దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ ఫ్యూచర్ సేల్ ఆఫ్ అసెట్ మోడల్ ఇస్ దేర్, దెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ ఈజీ. ఓకేనా? సో లెట్స్ టోటల్ మా 7 3 10 10,200, 800, 11 10 plus 4 15,000, right? So this 15,000 includes total free asset depreciation. Let's balance once again. 1,08,150 minus 15,000 candy. 1,08,150. 1,08,150 means here 87. So 93, 92,850. Just check it once again. Check it all of you. By balance carried down 93,150. And finally write the date last 1/4/21 to balance brought down 93,150. That's the end of the answer, dear students. So what they asked to us, to prepare machinery account when the firm purchased three machineries in three different dates and rate of depreciation 12% and following the financial year. So we are presented perfectly. So first asset we purchased on 40, that is 1st August 17 for 40,000 rupees, and utilization is only 8 months. So 8 months I have calculated the depreciation. మొదటి సంవత్సరంలో వాళ్ళు ఆగస్ట్ లో కొన్నారు, ఆగస్ట్ నుంచి మార్చి 8 మంత్స్ ఎందుకంటే 8 మంత్స్ చేశాను. సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఎటువంటి మెషినరీ కొనలేదు కాబట్టి 1/4/18 నుంచి 31/3/19 ఫుల్ ఇయర్ వాడారు, ఒక మిషన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫుల్ ఇయర్ కి ఒక మిషన్ 40,000 to 1200 4,000 బ్యాలెన్స్ చేశాను. Third year 1/4/19 32,000 is the balance of the first asset. In this 1/4/19 to 31/3/20 they purchased the two machines with the two different dates, that is 1/7/19 one machinery for 25,000 and 1/1/20 another machinery for 60,000. So 25,000 into 1200. July to March 9 months 9/12. ఇక్కడ January to March 60,000 to 1200 3/12 1800 చేశాను. That comes to 8,080. I have balanced the account. 1,08,150 again the balance is, and these three machinery have been utilized full year in the last year. So మూడు మెషిన్లు కూడా full year వాడాం కాబట్టి మీరు సింపుల్ గా 1,25,000 into 12/100 చేసుకోవచ్చు, తప్పేం లేదు. ఆన్సర్ విల్ గెట్ సేమ్. But I have segregated first machinery 40,000 to 12/100, second machinery 25,000 to 12/100, and third machinery 60,000 to 12/100. ఓకేనా, కొంచెం లెంగ్త్ పెరిగినా ఫ్యూచర్ లో మీకు చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది ఈ మోడల్. ఓకేనా, 93,150 is the balance of the assets. So dear students, we have completed the model when more than one asset is purchased. For the subjective point of view discussed examination లో ఉంటే చాలా రేర్ గా అడుగుతారు, కానీ సబ్జెక్టివ్ నాలెడ్జ్ కోసం ఇవన్నీ డిస్కషన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫర్ టుడే. విల్ డిస్కస్ వన్ మోర్ మోడల్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫర్ టుడే. థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఆల్. హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ.